Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to set a default web browser on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the notifications section, tap on the gear here to configure notifications. Not notifications, you have to go to the app section and tap on gear here to configure apps, and here you can select your browser app, and if you have another browser you can just set it as default here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.